Sometimes nature is just the healing that we need. Sometimes just going outside and watching the sunset is all that you need to make you remember that everything is going to be all right. This was one such day, and I really appreciated the beautiful sights around me. It was calming. It was beautiful. It was like a painter's masterpiece, and I was grateful to be alive. Appreciating nature is one thing you can do as a single person. Take yourself out. Enjoy being one with nature. I think you understand what I am saying. Enjoy these sights. Go out today and see what's around the corner. Enjoy it. It's all for you to enjoy. I hope you have enjoyed this walk in nature with me. Do watch the videos in the upcoming cards. And thank you for watching A Lesson World, where we learn together and travel together.